FPC FFC connectors impose strict requirements on insulation housings, flame retardancy, heat resistance, stable electrical performance, good moldability, and easy demolding. Longzhong modified PBT materials perfectly match these demands. Excellent flame retardancy. All grades pass the UL94BO flame retardant test with self-extinguishing performance. The GWITIS above 750 certiorari, complying with industrial safety certifications to ensure safe use. Superior heat and solder resistance. Outstanding heat deflection temperature enables the material to withstand high temperatures of wave soldering and reflow soldering. It maintains stable dimensions at high temperatures, preventing terminal displacement and solder bridging to guarantee soldering quality. Stable electrical performance. Ultra-low water absorption ensures consistent dielectric strength under high humidity and high voltage. Some customized grades reach a CTI of over 250 volts, lowering leakage risks and suiting miniaturized high-density connectors. Easy processing for mass production. Optimized fluidity fits thin-walled precision structures of connectors. It requires low molding pressure with even melt flow and minimal flash, boosting mass production yield. Excellent toughness. Glass fiber reinforced grades still feature good impact resistance, resisting cracking during terminal insertion and assembly and enhancing product durability. High cost performance. As an original modifier with independent formulas and stable quality control, our materials deliver the same performance as imported products while cutting costs by Den, Biz, Zwanzig Brusex, helping manufacturers reduce expenses and improve efficiency. Friends who like it can like and follow.